Alright guys, as you can tell, we got some sad news here. As you can tell from the title, Briggs and Stratton filed for bankruptcy on July 20th. And this is the 21st, so it happened yesterday. And what's ironic is me and the guys are actually working on a Briggs, this FH. Right? It's 1930, 90 years old. We're working on it. 90-year-old Briggs. When we heard the news, we knew Briggs was in trouble. You know, I've been in trouble for the last couple of years, and we know it was inevitable it was going to happen. But I figured you ought to hear from me, because Briggs and Stratton's a big part of my channel. They're pretty much the reason I'm still around. You know, this is the engine that pretty much put me on the map here. The 4-cylinder put me and Mike on the map. You know, and you know, we built that, and the rest is history. But there's just a couple I have sitting around the garage here. Oh, left a rag on here, or a dust rag. Sorry about that. Alright. But anyway, it was a 112-year-old company. You know, it's not going to go away. I think there's a company that bought them, or they're going to, you know, they're buying their debt. You know, a company that makes, I don't know, gym equipment or golf clubs or something. KSR, KRS or something. I don't know, something. Anyway, you guys will find out about it. But here's just a few that we rebuilt. Right, that's the old lever start. These are just ones I have in the garage here. You know, I got, you know, 100 of them out in the shed. Literally 100 of them. And as the old lever. And this one here, you guys might not have known this one. This is the oldest one I have. This is an F model, 1921. And it has a little oil filler here and stuff like that. And this is serial number 311. That's how old that is. And this engine here is so iconic. When Briggs and Stratton put out this manual, this repair manual, they chose to put it on the cover here. That's how iconic this one is, and it does run. And it's pretty cool. They call this is the carburetor here, the intake. They call it a peace pipe. I don't know if you can tell why, but anyway, yeah, sad day. You know, 112 years ago, in 1908, Stephen Briggs and Harold Stratton started this company, and this is what it's become. I think the pandemic, they say a pandemic helped them go under. You know, they were in trouble, and then when the pandemic hit, you know, I guess they had to stop production and everything, and that didn't help matters. So, like I say, it was ironic that we're working on this when it happened, and you know, we owe them a lot. There's not a guy out there that watches my channel that hasn't touched a Briggs and Stratton engine. I can almost guarantee that. So, we're going to make this a short one. We're just going to let you know. Alright, a sad day in history. Yeah, I don't know if I mentioned it, but this 1921 Model F is pretty much all original. The only thing that isn't original is this exhaust pipe here. And even the paint on it, that's why the paint, maybe you see here, it looks kind of messed up, but that's the original silver. And then the rest of it, it's sort of like a greenish or a brownish. And this is the magneto side, the flywheel, and this is pop metal. You know, so nothing sticks to it. And this side is steel. That's why they're two different colors. But you see, there's no fins in here for cooling and stuff. You know, they're on this side. I don't know if you can see them in there. It's tough, but pretty interesting. Let me get a light. Maybe you can see the color a little better. That's why I keep a slight coat of oil on it. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, like maybe a slight greenish tint to it, but all original. So down here, pretty cool. 99.5 years old. Yeah, let me know if you guys want to see this one run, and maybe I'll do a video just on this one. Alright, enough of this.